Hi gang, this is just a quick video to show that the BMW i3 is the original Cybertruck. So I picked up this dog seat cover from the thrift store for a few dollars and washed it up and cleaned it up, and it actually looked like it was in really good shape. It has tie downs built in already, and I just tied it to the pull downs in the back here on both sides. Some little clips, and just clip the sides up to keep it up to make a nice clean bed here. And in the back, just a piece of cardboard to protect the back of the seats. And with that, I've thrown in a bunch of different items, from rocks to bark to tools to boxes, and without really damaging or making the car get dirty at all. And the size is surprisingly large, so you get amazingly a lot of material in here. Like I think I've got somewhere between 8 large bags of bark I've thrown in here to clean up the yard, plus other items and bags and whatnot. So it's not a small space at all. And I've used it to have an electric truck, basically, to haul materials around from the store up to house or up a hill that I needed to travel without any real problems, and without burning any gas, with gas prices being so high. So not a problem whatsoever. So if you don't need as much space, you can fold the seats back up into the vertical position, so it makes a nice square angle here between the floor. And it's still large enough, or the cover is large enough to make a pretty good cover both on the sides and the back of the seats and the floor. It's tied down at the top here with the straps around the headrest to hold it in place. I need to tighten this up a little bit. I just put it up, but it's a little bit of a gap, but if I tie these up a little bit tighter, it should be fine. So fits pretty well, and I think it's an option for people to try and keep the car looking nice while still using it in a utilitarian fashion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thanks.